how the Evo is sitting right now. Get a look at it right there. So as of right now, the car has a GT 3582R turbo on it with a stock exhaust manifold. The bottom end of the car is built, so it has upgraded pistons, rods, bearings, all that good stuff. I currently have my exhaust off on it at the moment. But yeah, so it's pretty much a dump from the downpipe back. And yeah, so this is how it's sitting. The car is currently making 470 wheel horsepower. See the intercooler down there. And yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick little walk around of the car. You know, some of the stuff. Like I have that off already. I need to replace that. I haven't finished cleaning it up yet. Just little things, you guys, that I'm gonna do. Just want you guys to get a good overall, see how the car looks now, so that when this series is done, you guys will have a good idea as what the car looks like. But yeah, so this is just a little introduction so far to this is the first video. There you guys go. So we're gonna try to make this car into a beast, guys. Straight animal. Alright guys, so it's like really bright out here because like I bought this lamp so that I don't have an excuse on why I can't record at night. But yeah, so I bought that. I'm getting ready to take off the front bumper on the Evo right now, so yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm here with my buddy Kyler. So I'm gonna take this off. We're gonna try to install a front lip on it. The only thing is the front lip came warped, which fucking sucks, but oh well. I'm not even trying to return it. I'm just gonna try to put it on because I feel like once it's screwed into the bumper, it's gonna like take shape of the bumper because it's kind of like, I don't know, it's weird. But yeah, we're gonna do that, and then yeah, I don't know, we might do something else. I don't know. I want to take out, eventually do my headlights, open them up, you know, paint the housing black, and I just want to do a lot of stuff for this build series, guys, you know, and I want you guys to enjoy these videos. I hope you guys enjoy them. But yeah, so we're gonna get started on this and check with you guys in a bit.
Hello?
Right. Yo.
What's up?
What are you doing?
Just got home right now.
What's up, bro? YouTube wants to know it's good. You're on camera right now, bro. What's up?
Really?
Yeah.
What are you trying to do?
Did you not get my text or what?
No, I did not.
Damn. I told you I'm filming the first video for the Evo build series, bro.
Oh, for sure.
I'm taking off the bumper right now, so.
What we about to do right now? What are we gonna take off?
The lip on, and then we can start removing stuff too if we want. Alright guys, so car's now on jack stand, so we can take off the bumper. I'm gonna honestly have to get a quick release kit for this because this car right here, the whole fucking inside part is messed up from whatever happened from the previous owner or owners. But yeah, so quick release just so the bumper can attach and hold it together because it's like held on by a screw right now. So alright guys, well, we got the bumper off. That was a lot easier than I thought. And yeah, so there's like no bracket or anything for the screws to screw in for the car, so it was just literally drilled in right here into the fender. So yeah, that's why I need the quick release. So alright guys, so that was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Because the lip is warped. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm pointing it out because, oh well, fuck it. Yeah, you can kind of see where it goes up, like right here. And then, yeah, but, oh well, we're getting ready to drill these screws in there. Oh, fuck.
27. Okay. Ooh.
Alright guys, god damn, that's just bright. So we got the lip on. Now we're gonna start messing with the headlights, and eventually open those up, paint the housing black so that it looks all nice when the car's all put back together. But yeah, so
Those bolts are all different sizes.
I know.
Oh, my dumbass took off the wrong one.